Well, hello everybody. We're here in Vegas for CCW. I'm here with Dennis from Verint. Dennis, great to see you.
Great to see you, Tom.
We're at the Five9 booth. When I think of both of these companies, they both really want to be open. They really are interested in partnerships, and maybe epitomize that better than anybody out there. Tell me a little bit about your perspective of this kind of joint partnership between you guys.
Sure. Five9 and Verint, as you know, have established leadership in their respective domains. And together, we've brought to market the best AI-driven solutions for the contact center to improve their customer experience as well as their agent experience. This week, Five9 and Verint are putting together messages and putting out the messages about the main things that are concerned to us. And agent experience and customer experience are always number one on those lists. So that's what we're out here to do today.
So, there's all this kind of AI noise. There are all these now. We've got AI agents. You guys have your bots, and there's a lot going on. How are you guys kind of making sense of that? I mean, where are you kind of having success talking to your customers about navigating this time?
So, absolutely, the customer base, what I see is the customers out there may be struggling with trying to understand this new technology. And our job is, number one, is to help them navigate through the technology and parse out all of the things that are not useful for them and ones that are productive for them. Because AI adoption is real, and it's now, and the companies that we're talking to, the organizations, they are going to adopt it in some form or fashion. The best thing we can do for them is to provide them with some good guidance and coaching as to what will help them the most, what will get them to their specific business goals, and also what will leverage the technology to the best effect for their customers and for their agents.
When we think about this mix of single suite, you got kind of best of breed, like being able to pull together, the core competencies that both of your companies have. Is there one customer that you think of that really kind of epitomizes that partnership, or?
Well, we have a lot of customers in different verticals, from banking to retail, and a lot of our customers, our best customers, I would say, not to just pick out a favorite, but a lot of our customers that have leveraged the Verint and Five9 relationship and solutions are the ones that have seen massive growth in their business. They've reduced costs the most, and they're the ones that you usually see as case studies on both our companies' websites. So I believe that their adoption of the combined Five9 and Verint solutions allowed them to leverage the best of all worlds. Five9 is a CX platform, and Verint is also a WEM platform. And so with that, we can provide the customer with the best of all worlds. We have a solution that they can take into their organization, or they can build on top of it with the best of of whatever they can have in the industry, and it's open. So I think that's the big value proposition that Five9 brings to the market.
When you think about everything you guys are working on, what are you most excited about for your customers, adopting to improve the CX they're offering to their customers?
So both Five9 and Verint are focused on what makes the customer experience better.
Right.
And we also understand that agent experience is as important as the consumer experience. So we focus on that, and we make sure that those messages are not forgotten. That even in an evolving and an ever-changing consumer world, that our organizations that we sell to can adapt to these changes. And those changes will spell bigger differences in the way that they deal with their own consumers. So we focus on those, not focusing so much on the AI or the technology, but understanding the human element behind it. And that's the most important thing, and that, I think, is what's most valuable for our combined customers.
It's one of my kind of key themes from this week is exactly what you just said. Like I was thinking about, forever we just talked about human agents.
Right.
And then for the last 2 years, all we talked about was AI agents. And now we're kind of like, okay, well, it's going to be both,
That's right. It has to be both, because AI is, at the end of the day, a technology. It augments the human agent. The human agent now has the ability to rise a little bit higher in the stack, in the sense that the AI or the AI bot or the AI agent can take over some mundane tasks that the agent used to have to do, but that doesn't mean the agent loses any kind of work that they have to do. They now have to rise to the point where the agents are needed for very complex interactions or interactions that require soft skills.
Yep.
So the agent, in a sense, becomes a lot more valuable to the organization and to the consumer.
We still got to monitor them. We still got to schedule them. We still got to forecast for them. We still have to do all the things that you guys have done for a long time.
Yeah,
so.
absolutely. All those are still part of the way, part of doing business for the organization. But now the technology, as fast as it's changing, is augmenting how the organization can see results in real time, right? In faster fashion than it has before.
Well, cool. Dennis, thanks so much. It's really great to see you. Thanks for your
you, Tom.
time.
I appreciate it.
Enjoyed it.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.